Houston Golden State Warriors game, we both predicted, not game, series, we both predicted a Warriors in 5. It's trending towards that way, no? Kasi 3-1 ngayon ng ano eh.
Yeah. And they're
We
playing
predict.
back in Houston now, right? Back to
Oo.
Houston.
Do you still stick with that prediction na, okay, you saw that Houston can. It is a series. Walang tambakan eh. It's neck and neck. Do you see the Warriors closing it out in H-Town, or you gotta
Uh,
have to retweak your, parang na Warriors in 6 siguro?
I think they're closing it out in Houston.
Ooh.
I think they're closing it out in Houston, especially with Jimmy back. Uh,
Ganda laro ni Jimmy last game, no?
the problem, well,
Oh,
not
sige.
really. The problem for Houston is that GSW knows how to win and close out series.
Hindi
Alam
nila
mo yun?
hindi nila
Alam mo yun?
linger. Oh, yeah.
Let's say ang Houston nakalaban nila is like a Detroit, let's
Hmm.
say, na
Oh, kapwa young team.
ang tagal na nilang hindi nagpe-playoffs. Alam mo 'yon, you might have a chance, 'di ba?
Hmm.
Na sige, talunin lang natin 'to sa court nila. Tingnan natin where it goes. But the thing is, I'm sure Steph in that locker room, alam niya na yung sinasabi niya. Boys, you gotta close this shit out.
Let's kill these mofos. Ganun yung mindset nila lahat ng veterano.
Kasi
Tapusin na
nangyari
natin.
na yan eh. Draymond Green, Jimmy Butler. He knows
Hmm.
a playoff Jimmy, you know. Now you mix in young guys that have a
Yeah.
chip on their
Pods.
shoulders
Yeah.
like Post
Not bad, no? Si
uh
Quentin Post. Imagine mo saan galing yan. Para pati ako as a
oh
Warriors fan,
si
saan ka galing?
exactly si Pods, 'di ba? Sila Moody. So those guys, yun ang ano nila, chip nila sa shoulder nila na they're
Hmm.
always just riding on Steph's back. But hindi, nagko-contribute sila. Pods played amazing last game. Really clutch and much needed help to Steph. So that's one thing going for GSW, and one thing that's not going for Houston is that uh, GSW knows how to close out games. So it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be very very physical, especially with Dylan Brooks. And it's gonna be fun to watch tomorrow.
Si Dillon Brooks is trying his hardest to to try get into the head of the Warriors players and try to
Yeah,
get Draymond
but
Green the tech.
it's
Hindi
not.
gumagana this time. Hindi
Uh,
siya gumagana this. Before, siguro Manong, the Draymond Green of old would have played into the trap. Would have,
yeah,
'di ba? He would have been that guy na siya yung nag-retaliate. Patay. Wala si Draymond. Wala si Draymond the next game, and then
and
that's how things would turn
he
out.
knows how important he is.
Veterano na rin.
He's the heart that keeps the blood pumping for that GSW. Say what you want to say about him, but he really is that guy.
Same for Jimmy, no? Kinakausap siya ni Dillon Brooks sa free throw line. And Jimmy's like, what? What? Parang, kunyari, hindi niya naririnig. Nakita mo yun? Parang may
Yeah, yeah.
whisper lagi sa kanya si Dillon Brooks, and Jimmy's
I
like,
mean,
nah, man. Nah,
I
man.
think those guys know na Jimmy has been to the finals, playoffs, game
Sa bubble
sevens.
pa. Oh.
Uh, if Jimmy, I mean, if LeBron is the one talking to Jimmy, he might say something back.
Mm.
But if it's Dylan Brooks who hasn't
Ah,
really been there, of course Jimmy's not gonna retaliate and things like that. I guess that's just me. Hindi ko malalaman kung anong tumatakbo sa utak ni Jimmy Butler. Pero kung ako yun,
as a
ganun yung
hooper.
mangyayari.
Na parang if someone's like a skill
Ganun yung
lower than you,
mangyayari.
you're like, ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Especially kapag alam mo na pipikunin ka lang.
Yun yung trabaho niya. Alam mo,
Oo.
oh, ito enforcer ng kabilang team.
Exactly. Alam mo na yun
Yan,
lang yung
yan.
gagawin sa'yo. Totoo. Di ba?
Pero kung ka-level mo, yun yung baka, sige. Ano naman
Oo.
eh.
Sige,
Ka-level ko.
sige. I mean, hindi ako aatras sa'yo. Alam kong LeBron ka, hindi ako aatras sa'yo. Di ba? Ganyan.
So sa Houston man, 'di ba close games? Ano yung na-observe mo sa mga late minutes kung on why they're currently down right now? They've always been it eh. Sometimes pa nga they have the lead the last 3 minutes. Is it more of the stars just not showing up, or it's the mental mistakes ng
Ah,
Houston?
Ano ba? We talked about it, 'di ba? At the beginning kung ano yung mga yung nag-uunang nagsasalita pa nagkukuwentuhan pa lang tayo
Hmm.
about what matchups are we looking forward to.
Yeah.
And sinabi natin to, yung Houston GSW. But
Yeah.
the thing is, with Houston, even all the analysts, the anchors in the NBA, from Chuck, Shaq, some of the guys there, ang sabi nila sa Houston is hindi kasi nila alam kung kaya ba nilang umiscore sa dulo, which is what you
Okay.
see,
Which is what we've been seeing.
'di
Ganun nga
ba?
eh.
Parang who? Will it be Sengun? Will it be Jalen Green?
Van Vliet's trying. You can see na Van Vliet's going to try.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
he's
yeah.
not built that way eh.
Yeah, 'di ba? But he's gonna be there consistently. Pero feel like it's a mix of Jalen Green and Sengun. But it's gonna be tough because the Warriors have materials that can actually defend ano kasi those guys. I'm not sure on matchup hunting. Steph's a very very good defender in himself. So it's gonna be interesting, but that's the thing, who are you gonna go to, who are you gonna call when it comes to the end. So H Town's in a bit of trouble, a little bit of a ditch. That could still, turn around when it comes to game 5. Hindi pa masyado malalim yung hukay for them to climb out of it. So we'll see.
Okay. I'm sure we're gonna say the same thing here, no? We see the Warriors, bahala na yung comment section sa atin. Bite naman kayo sa amin so far sa NBA takes namin, no? So we see the Warriors winning tomorrow. I'll say by 4 or 5 points.
4 or 5 points. I would
What do you
say
think?
Warriors 9 to
You
12.
feel like mga ganun na
9 to 12 points.
with that, dahil sinabi mo 9 to 12 points, I'm expecting a first quarter flurry from the Warriors. That, in order for that to happen na, they're gonna strike first and wobbly na agad yung Houston na
And that's the
hindi
only that, and that's the only way you have to attack an away
Houston.
game,
Oo.
especially an
Strike
away
first.
close out. If you try to close out the game away, that's the only way you have to do. Full head of steam.
I'm sure ganun ka rin nung when you were with Shiga no, nung playoff run nyo to go back to B1 na pag may mga closeout kayo, may closeout game ba kayo in
Yeah,
an
yeah,
away floor?
yeah.
So, ganun yung pati rin sinasabi ng coach nyo na, okay, attack, and
Walang choice. Kasi if you make a home team comfortable with their crowd,
mm,
wala, mahirap. Mahirap talaga.
anyway, yun lang naman guys. We don't have to talk about. I mean, we don't have to. We're good now with the Indiana Milwaukee game. They won. Congrats to Indiana. Boston Celtics. This is what we know. Di ba? Boston in 5. Kasi we know that they're always gonna drop one game na nagtatanga-tanga sila. They're playing with their food. Shit.
Bukas ba yung Lakers, Minnesota?
Oh, ang ganda ng games. Dalawa lang top games bukas. Pero 7:30 Warriors Houston. And then
Umaga.
Lakers. Oh, umaga. 7:30 yung huge GSW. Tapos Lakers, Minnesota 10. So nakalock-in tayo from morning. Buong umaga na ako. Hindi ako sure kung anong schedule mo sa morning. Pero ako kaya ko to. Ano yun? Panoodin.
I think I'll be
So,
able to watch the first one. The second one is around practice time, so.
okay. So, ano. At least we can react to the Houston Golden
Yeah,
State game.
after lunch, I'm down.
Tara, after lunch, let's
Or go.
react to that. Or kung hindi ka heartbroken na, kasi di mo alam mangyayari bukas eh. Di mo
I
alam eh.
know.
Dahil mahirap bro. Like, hirap nun. Hirap
Agree, agree,
na
agree.
against
Agree.
Minnesota na all the momentum na, di
I
ba? Like,
mean,
Ant knows
good
how
thing
to
it's in
close.
LA. I would say good thing it's in LA.
Exactly, 'di ba? Good thing it's in LA. Imagine if it's in Minnesota. They
Yep.
might as well call it a series kung ganun.
Yep, yep.
Anyway, guys, on Spotify, follow 5-star rating, like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. See you all next time.